Let's discuss setting up electrical circuits for a pond and waterfall pump system, specifically addressing ground fault circuit interrupter protection and wiring a 120-volt outlet from a 220-volt circuit. The first point to clarify is regarding ground fault circuit interrupter protection for the 220-volt pump. There is no current section in the National Electrical Code, often abbreviated as NEC, that exempts 220-volt pumps from ground fault circuit interrupter protection. Ground fault circuit interrupters are required for all outdoor receptacles, and this includes those supplying power to pumps. Now, addressing the question of tapping into one of the hot wires from the 220-volt circuit to create a 120-volt branch circuit for low-voltage lighting, the answer is yes, it is possible. However, several critical points must be taken into consideration. 1. Circuit rating. The branch circuit you create for the 120-volt lighting must be appropriately rated for the load it will serve. If the lighting load is relatively low, a 15-amp branch circuit may be sufficient. However, be sure to calculate the total amperage draw of the lighting to ensure you do not overload the circuit. A 20-amp circuit may also be used if warranted. 2. Neutral connection. The neutral wire for your new 120-volt branch circuit must be properly connected to the neutral of the existing 220-volt circuit. This ensures a complete circuit for the 120-volt lighting to function correctly. 3. Grounding. The ground wire for your 120-volt branch circuit must be securely connected to the ground wire of the 220-volt circuit. This grounding provides a crucial safety feature, protecting against electrical shock. 4. Code compliance. To guarantee your installation adheres to electrical codes, follow these key guidelines. 1. Install a ground fault circuit interrupter protected receptacle for the 120-volt lighting. This is a crucial safety measure, especially in outdoor environments. 2. Use wire approved and rated for the specific load and location. Ensure the wire gauge is appropriate for the amperage it will carry, and that the insulation is suitable for outdoor use if applicable. 3. Secure all electrical connections with approved connectors. This includes wire nuts, crimp connectors, and other approved methods to ensure reliable and safe connections. 4. It's highly recommended to have the electrical work inspected by a qualified electrician. This professional can verify that your installation meets all applicable code requirements and that it is safe and functional. By carefully considering these points, you can safely and effectively add a 120-volt outlet to your pump system, using the existing 220-volt circuit as a power source for the lighting. Remember, safety and code compliance are paramount when working with electricity.